In this video, I will show you how you can check if your iPad is brand new or refurbished. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Now under the General Settings, just tap on About. Now over here, just check the model number of your iPad. If the model number of your iPad starts with an F, then this indicates that your iPad has been refurbished by Apple. But if the model number of your iPad starts with an M, then this indicates that your iPad is brand new. Now this was the first method to check whether your iPad has been refurbished by Apple or not. Now there is also another method to check whether your iPad is brand new or not. And for that, just copy the serial number of your iPad. And just tap and hold on the serial number and select copy. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open Safari. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just open this website. And over here, under My Devices, just select your iPad. Now, if you did not subscribe to Apple Care Plus, your iPad will only have 1 year of warranty. And as you can see, this is the warranty expiry date. Now, as you can see, in our case, the warranty expiry date of our iPad is the 14th of April, 2027, which means that the warranty start date of our iPad is the 14th of April, 2026. Now, the warranty starts when you activate your iPad. Now, just make sure that the warranty start date of your iPad aligns with when you have activated your iPad. For an example, if you have bought your iPad in April, but if the warranty of your iPad has started from February, then this indicates that your iPad has been refurbished. And also finally, just check the hardware of your iPad. Just check the screen of your iPad for any scratches on the screen, and also check the back and the frame of your iPad and look for minor scratches or dents on the frame. If you find any scratches on your iPad, then this indicates that your iPad is refurbished and it has already been used. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.